Hi everyone, it's Roberto, and in this video I'm just going to go over the what I call the Monday retracement qualifier. And it's a very powerful strategy that you can use on any day, but particularly on a Monday when the week before the Monday is usually, or rather the week is usually exhausted. It's either overbought or oversold, and Mondays are days that I start looking for retracement trades, and they're not trades that I stay in for a long period of time. It's just capturing, taking advantage of that retracement from Friday. So when markets rally or sell off on a Friday, or even the entire week, then the market tends to retrace. It has to retrace. It doesn't go up or down in a straight line. That's very unhealthy for any market. So, um, I came up with a qualifier, and in this tutorial, this is what we go over in our Pro Traders workshop. So this is an introduction to pro traders. So the first thing I do, excuse me, is look for um, a trade in the opposite direction of Friday. And looking at Canadian yen, I highlight Friday. Notice market's in an uptrend. Pretty much it's put in its daily range. And then I use a few indicators. Currency strength indicator, which is on the upper left-hand corner, looking for strong and weak currencies and pairing them up. When this trade was taken during the Asian session yesterday, the Canadian dollar was very weak. It would hardly any bars, and it would be like red, just like you see the New Zealand dollar here. And the Japanese yen was very strong. It was turned green, and it had like 9.7 on the currency strength. The advisor indicator was giving us a sell signal, and stochastics indicator was overbought. Okay, so I had several reasons to take this trade to the downside, and this trade worked out beautifully. I got in late. I wanted to have more confirmation, so I waited for this bearish engulfing candle to appear, took my trade on the retracement, and was able to capture 11 pips on this trade, even though I could have stayed in a lot longer on this trade, but I had too many positions open, and CAD yen had to go for one of the first to exit this trade. Okay, very simple. Monday retracement qualifier. FX advisor indicator. If you do not have an FX advisor indicator, you can purchase that on my website. It is $50. It's a lifetime. It's yours. It's a indicator you download on your MT4 platform, and it will give you buy and sell signals on any time frame. But I would suggest using it on higher time frames. 1 hour is the minimum. I use the FX advisor indicator. The second thing is price action. I need a candlestick pattern that will tell me that the market is finished going in one direction and it's ready to turn around and head. And this is bearish engulfing candle gave me that signal. Currency strength indicator. At the time this trade was taken, Canadian dollar was very weak and it was showing a red, and the yen was showing green and it was very strong. Okay, and lastly, stochastics indicator was overbought. Let's look at some other trade signals. Pound Aussie, the same thing. The market is in a strong downtrend. I like to highlight Friday. So Friday's in a downtrend. I'm looking to buy on Monday. And this one had, again, the FX advisor indicator was giving us a buy signal. And we had a nice bullish engulfing candle on the 1 hour chart, and that was my signal to buy. And an added bonus, we had divergence on stochastics. And the other thing, the two lines of MACD had crossed at an upside, so that is more confirmation. So far, it went up 63 pips. I managed to capture 33. I got in late on that trade, and that was that. So again, it's just being able to find trades at specific time frames, specific times of the day, on a specific day. Today we're only focusing on the Monday retracement because it's such an easy trade to take when the market has rallied on Friday, usually the market turns around on Monday, and we qualify the trade. You just don't take a trade for the simple fact that it's Monday and you think it's going to retrace, because sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it goes from Friday and continue on to Monday and then turns around on Tuesday. But if you qualify a trade just like I showed you here, then you should be okay. Okay? You need four reasons, a minimum 3 reasons to take a trade. And you have to know what those reasons are. Otherwise, you may not make any money on a trade. So if you're interested in learning how to trade like this and more trading strategies, just sign up for our Pro Traders Workshop. Okay, we have a discount going on right now. It's a 3-month program, and take your trading to the next level. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys soon.